Most people spend hundreds of dollars on toxic paints, but I'm going to show you how to turn this raw earth into a professional breathable wall finish for almost free. We're using a traditional recipe, natural clay, and a simple wheat paste binder. It's non-toxic, accessible everywhere, and also it's natural. First, we need the clay. Not all soil is equal. By mixing earth with water and letting it settle, the heavy sand sinks and the pure clay stays suspended. We mix the soil with lots of water. We try to crush the big pieces. After that, we use another bucket with a screen. You can use this method for making pure clay, the same clay that you can use for pottery. It depends on the soil you have, but every soil has an amount of clay in it. It just depends on soil. You will get like a percentage of clay. We're gonna let it sit for a while, maybe a few hours. Leftover sand's gonna be down at bottom, and then clay and the water on top. This bucket is our harvest. There's a lot of water in it. We're gonna let it sit for a few hours. So it's the next morning, and you see the water is very clear. The top, you're gonna get rid of that and then put it on the plastic so it gets drier. So after spreading on the plastic, you can wait a few hours depending on the weather, but don't put it under the harsh sun, otherwise it would get dry very fast and it would crack. This is day 3 morning, and our clay is in a very good shape and we can use it for our clay paint. Clay alone will rub off the wall once it dries. To make it permanent, we need a binder. This is a simple wheat paste. Just flour and water boiled until it's thick and translucent. This is the glue that makes the paint durable. First, we add 1 part flour to 2 part cold water. We mix it well, and we add this mix to the 4 part boiling water. We put the heat on the low and just make sure that you stir it well, so otherwise the bottom is gonna get burned. Now we have our wheat paste is ready, our natural clay is ready, and this is sifted sand. So we're gonna mix 1 part, 1 part, 1 part. So 1 part wheat paste, 1 part clay, and 1 part sifted sand. Applying it's very easy. It's like a paint. You can use a brush, and it's perfect for inside our dome because it's natural and it's breathable. And if you want to see how we build this dome, you can check my last video. Also, if you want a smooth finish, you can wait until it dries and rub off the sand with a little bit wet sponge, and then do another coat without the sand. But since our walls weren't smooth and we wanted to show everything as it is, so we let it to be rough.